In our example today, we saw that if you want to multiply a number with 0, for example, 20 times 3, you just do 2 times 3, which equals 6, and add the 0. You only have one 0, so you add one 0. In this example, 2 times 3 is 6, but since you have two zeros, you add two zeros. In this example, 3 times 2 is 6 again, but since you have three zeros, you have to add three zeros in your answer. And in our last example, 3 times 2 is 6, and since you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, you add 6 zeros in your answer. Now, 2 digit times 1 digit, 36 times 4. What we can do is turn 36 into 30 and 6, and then keep our 4. We would make a box like this and put our 30 here and our 6 here. That's 36. We would have the 4 just by itself on the side. Then that way we break up the problem, since we don't know 36 times 4, but we do know 30 times 4, and we do know 6 times 4. So 30 times 4. I don't know 30 times 4, but I do know 3 times 4 is 12. And I just add the 0. I do know 6 times 4 is 24. So now I add my answer in both boxes. 120 plus 24, and my answer is 144. Some of us liked to do cross multiplication. So here's an example of how we do that. 36 times 4. Our first job is to do 6 times 4, which is 24. And then our second job is 4 times 3. So that's why it's called cross multiplying, because we crossed. We're multiplying across. 4 times 3 is 12. Add 2 is 14. We end up with the same answer. They're both the same. Now, for 2 digit times 2 digit, our example is 73 times 45. And I'm just going to write it again here, just to show you how I would do that. I'd make a big box, and I'd turn the 73 into 70 and 3. And I'd turn the 45 into 40 and 5. Since I don't know 73 times 45, I can't actually complete that question in my head. But I can do 70 times 40. I can do 40 times 3. I can do 70 times 5. And I can do 5 times 3. And once I find the answers to all of those, you have to just